Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly you have to open your internet browser, then tap on three dots here, go to the history. Oh no, I have no history here, so let's check some page, maybe YouTube. Okay, now let's get back. Now tap on three dots, go to history, and then tap clear browsing data. So you can make like this basic erase of history, or you can go to advanced and delete more stuff. So here you can select time range. You can pick last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, media licenses, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill form data, site settings, and then just tap clear data. Clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.